Good morning, everyone. Let's see what's kind of going on. This market open. So during my pre-market review, I definitely could have entered along kind of down here based off the 89R, but I just wasn't feeling it too much. I was like, I'm not too sure, because we had data that was released at 5:30, and price moved a decent amount. You just look at the 144, you can see from 5:30, it was pretty volatile. This whole move, volatile, so from 960, 830, or 840, so over 100-point move within a minute. Definitely pretty volatile, so I was just thinking, all right, I'm just going to stay from the information that was presented through the charts from the data that was released. And then also we're like in the supply zone area, so it's a little sus. Oh, let me put some tunes on. I forgot about the tunes. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, nothing's really popping up right now, so I'll just go over the quick setup that I saw on the 377R with the data being released. So we had this range bar that was formed at 5:30, 20 seconds, which was pretty quick because this one ended at 5:37 seconds, so this was the 13-second long 377 range bar, which is a lot. But yeah, we retraced back into this area, as you can see here, and then if I go on to the 89, you can see that we had a strong pullback into the area, push up, made a high, made a low, confirmed breakout above this high, retested this area, and we had an up close. So I probably would have just entered right here. Stop. You can put below here, below the entry candle, wherever you feel most comfortable. For this situation, I probably would put it below here, to be honest, below the entry candle, instead of down here, just because it's a 50-point stop loss, and I'm not too comfortable holding a 50-point stop loss. So yeah, this was just a very quick play. Enter there, goes up. But I've noticed, it happened yesterday as well, is that on the first touch, if on the candle following the breakout candle, so this candle is the breakout candle, if the following candle touches this new zone that I'm interested in, so if it touches this new zone that I'm interested in, and if it's an up close candle, so you can see right here, breakout candle, which is the confirmed candle, then the very next candle touches inside that box and it's an up close candle, it might be best to wait to see if the following candle is a down close candle, because if it is, just enter right away once it's a down close candle, because typically it'll just kind of go back up. And then you can definitely put your stop loss like down here. But that's only if if this sort of pattern is shown. What I like to see is breakout candle confirmed, then we retrace back into it. A candle is a down close candle, then we have like an up close candle. That's what I prefer to see. But this way isn't too bad. Your entry just might not be perfect, but the trade still works in favor. It goes from 960 up to 995, so that's 35 points right there. You definitely, I wouldn't get the whole 35 points for sure, but it's possible. Yeah, I don't think we have any more data being released for the rest of the day, to be honest. Or I guess rest of the morning. I'm pretty sure this is the previous day point of control area. Oh no, it's a little bit lower. Right now we're testing out the value area high of yesterday. I do think we'll probably end up coming back down to 940s down here, because you can see that the point of control pre-market is down here, and right before market opened we were up here. Market tends to retrace, as you can see it's doing right now. Yeah, you can see it's doing right now, so I do think it'll touch this. Alright, so I don't know why, but my voice recording kind of just stopped for some reason. I have no idea what was the last thing I said, because it seems like it stopped recording for like the past 3 minutes, which is kind of odd. Alright, 144 is showing some pretty bearish momentum. Alright, yeah, for some reason my voice recording just kind of went out again, so I don't know why. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I guess, what is it, third time's a charm? Yeah, it might have happened because I'm recording on my phone, like my voice. And my phone is pretty low battery, so I just plugged my phone in, see if that can help. Yeah, so you see we're fairly close to touching that 50% region. I probably could have entered after this candle because we're doing our same setup. And I may have entered, honestly, because if we look at the 144, you can see it's pretty bearish momentum candle. Just look at that delta. So any sign of bearish momentum on the 34 to the downside, like, I would say it's relatively a good indicator that we're going to keep going down. Also, it occurred right at around the pre-market POC, so it definitely would have given me a little bit more faith to enter short, just for the quick scalp that we always look for. I'm curious to see if we'll bounce here. But I would look for like a longer term bounce. So what I mean by that is it won't be like a quick bounce like on the 34-hour. I'm looking on a bounce for I'm looking for a bounce on the 89-hour, which, you know, it'll take some time. But I'm just keeping that possibility out there or in the back of my head. Okay, so it kind of happened again. I think I might know why. It's just if I check something on my phone. Not too sure. So I guess I just won't check anything on my phone for now. Alright, we're in this retracement zone on the 144, which is from this red box. But the thing is, we are in a demand zone as well. So I'm not feeling I wouldn't feel too confident about this if it holds to go to the shorts. Yeah, alright. So now we have a decent bullish 144 candle. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a retracement here. At least another 10, 15 points down. Interesting. So I said interesting because you can see the candle right before market open. It's pretty bullish, but then we had a break above and then it just kind of closed below at market open. And now it's just kind of being bought up. So it kind of signals to me that, you know, this is a decent demand zone. I mean, but this is also like a decent supply zone as well, because strong bullish candle, then just a strong reversal. So I'm just curious to see what this following 15-minute candle does. I mean, we still have like 11 minutes till it closes. Patience is the name of the game. So potential scenario is on the 89. If we get pushed another 20-ish points up higher without going 20 points lower first, it could be nice to look for the longs. Potentially. But what I don't like too much is, one, we're in that supply zone. And then two, if we look at that 89, so right now I'm just looking to see if this candle can close up here. If it does, we wait for that retracement back into this area. But this accumulation right here, it's not ideal, I would say, for what I want to see. Because typically when there's a lot of accumulation in one point, and then you kind of see that there's a move, for example, like for us, in this case, a quick move to the downside, once price kind of goes back up to that consolidation zone, that accumulation zone, whatever you want to call it, price tends to respect it. So we just got to see kind of what just happens. I'm gonna look at the 55. Looking at the 55 because I don't see much happening on the 34. Let's see what happens. I would like to see a retracement back into this zone area for sure. And we have all this consolidation right here, so we got to be wary of that as well.
I know we haven't spoken in a while. Things have been weird.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Alright, yeah. I could enter long here. We retrace back. I might go for it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Stop. Gonna have to move down to here. A little bit more of a push, I would prefer. Nice. Alright, yeah, break even. We might come down for a little bit. I do want to see it go up just a tiny bit more.
Order filled.
Nice. Perfect. The reason why I said we might come down a little bit is because the 89 candle just kind of closed right about here. So as you can see, we're kind of pulling back down a little bit. So I thought I was maybe going to get stopped at a break even. But now that the 89 has closed, let's wait to see what the following 89 candle does, because we based our entry off the 55. So let's go into the 89. Yeah, if this 89 closes, I will still close down. I would still like to put my stop loss fairly short. If it closes up, that I don't think I'll enter it. I'm just not too sure what's gonna happen since there's this whole area right here. This area was at market open as well. So if we look at the 55, we're in the 233R retracement area for shorts. If we look at the 55, if this candle closes below here, I'm not gonna go long anymore. I'm tempted to just press the button for the quick long.
Order submitted.
My stop, I want to place below the entry candle. So it's a quick, nice little 1-to-1. As soon as we hit that 5 points, I'm at break even. Where's my 55? I might close at break even, honestly. I just don't like how it's moving. But, you know, you gotta trust your system, though. Oh, yeah. I saw the 5 points. Yep, break even for sure. A little bit above.
Stop
Might get
filled.
stopped out. It's alright. Stopped out. Definitely could have gotten a better entry for sure. If I entered right at this candle close, you can see that it would have gone from 65, it went up to 77. I would have gotten my 10 points. But I was a little hesitant because of what I saw on the 55. On the 55, we're in the 233R retracement area for potential shorts. Yeah, so you can see that the candle just kind of closed below, which is a little sus to me. We made the high. We made high here. Then we made a new low here. Then we made a new high here. And now we kind of just closed underneath this previous low. So now we just have to see what kind of happens, since it's in a supply zone. So if we get any down close candle on the 55 within this area, then we are gonna be going down a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm not too sure how much more, but based off, you know, price action and everything like that, we will be going down more. But if we break above this high, then we might just keep pushing up. And I do prefer to follow the trends of the higher time frame, so like the 89. So this honestly might keep going up because the 55's not showing too much weakness right now. Yeah, you see, if I trust my system, if I had my stop below the entry candle, enter it, if the following down close, we would have been set and golden. But I was just hesitant because of what I saw on the 55, and we can see that on the 55 now. I think it's just breaking the high that I was previously talking about. Yeah, so it's broken this high, so we're gonna keep going up. Yeah, I could definitely re-enter here. Let's see. If we can push down a little bit more.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I re-entered. I'm gonna find my stop below here. Just want to see like a nice quick break above this recent high. A little bit more of a push. All right, yeah, break even.
Order filled.
Bro, let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, Trust your system. Wow, it's honestly crazy. Damn, that's so good. Nice. That I'm speechless, honestly. And just trusting your system. Oh, that's so good. Nice. I'm just gonna end the stream there. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and try not to overtrade, honestly. That's what's thrown me off in the past. So just nice, quick trades that, and we don't even have to look at the charts for more than like an hour. It's nice. So enjoy, guys. Don't overtrade.